Alright guys, check this out. I was at the local market, still in Tucson here, and check this out. This is a Lenny and Larry's The Complete Cookie. I did a review of their cinnamon one. This is their chocolate, double chocolate, and it's plant-based. Check that out. It is baked and has lots of protein. It has 10 grams of fiber and 16 grams of protein. So let's look at the ingredients. If you guys want to read this, pause the video. It is vegan, as you can see that, okay? And if you guys want to read that, pause the video. Let's do a quick taste test. Alright, check this out. That's what it looks like, guys. Let me rip a piece. Oh, it's super soft, okay? So the texture here is way better than the cinnamon one. It's way softer. There it is. Okay. So this one's better. It tastes like a brownie, actually. Yeah, it's much better. It's like it's a little bit more dry than a brownie, but not bad. Okay. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel. It has a nice chocolate aroma, and it's kind of soft, but it's a dry soft. Okay, guys. Stay tuned for more videos.